Okay, so we're gonna now get into our Chinese lesson part. Okay. Yeah, always start our flow of lesson learning, from the elementary of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and come to the very fundamental thing in terms of the sound system of the Chinese character. You see, everything has a principle. Everything has something proper that we need to work with. We cannot go wild. Whatever I want to do, I just do it because I like it. No. Only you follow the principles, then you will have the freedom. Freedom is not to do whatever your mind wants you to do, whatever your heart desires you to do without principles. True freedom is to strictly follow heaven's law. If you can strictly follow heaven's law, then you are called a true free, because there is no obstacle in your doings, correct?
Yeah. Correct.
Let's go. 心
心
Yeah, this heart has so much secret. That's why all the moral lessons start with this, 心 centerpiece of the human heart. Now look at this beautiful word. Okay. You see the shape of it, even when I write it, it's so righteous.
正
正
正
Yeah. It is called upright. Okay. It's called correct. It's called righteous. Okay. You see, when we write that word, flat. 竖 that's called 横竖 横竖 横 You see? Very, very strong. 横竖 横竖 横 right? That is called 正 Yeah. Next. Okay. 则
则
则 means then or lead to, okay, or result in. Okay. 则 正 Okay.
正
正
正
道
道
Now, 道 basically means way, road, right? Way. The spiritual term basically also equal to the law, okay? Or sometimes foreign Dafa practitioners all know another way to write called 法, law, right? 法. Okay. Remember, this is a word together with virtue means morality. 道德 means morality. Okay. So let's review. 心
心
正
正
则
则
正
正
道
道
When the heart is righteous, that leads to the righteous road. Okay, the righteous way. The heart harbors our spirit a lot of times. That is also referring to our mind, the 心. When the mind is righteous, when the heart is righteous, that will lead to our behavior to be righteous. Okay? So that's why all spiritual teaching starts to target our heart. The heart has the fuel to drive our behavior. It delivers the motivation. If our motivation is wrong, certainly we'll do wrong things. If our motivation is money, 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 then we only do things about how to gather money. That is not Zhen, okay? If our motivation is woman, beautiful woman, sex, drug, right? If the heart is thinking like that, then all your behaviors is going to be going down the tube, right? So that's why, lust and, desire, those elements, if we don't cultivate out, don't clean it up, then definitely we're not going to be able to walk a righteous way. Then what kind of way we're going to do? What kind of way, if we are not following righteous way, next?